Don't make excuses. Bani ma jodawa. Don't make excuses. Don't stretch the matter further. Was khabara ugdawa ma. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't act so pricey. Dumra gran kar makawa. Don't act so pricey. It's no use going there. هلته د تلو هیڅ فایده نشته. It's no use going there. I'm feeling sleepy. ما له خوب راځي. I'm feeling sleepy. Don't abuse him. هغه ته کنځل مه کوه. Don't abuse him. Please don't embarrass me. ما شرمنده کوه ما. Please don't embarrass me. It's all yours. دا خپل وګڼه. It's all yours. Let me take a shower. پریږده چې ولامبم. Let me take a shower. You are responsible for that. د هغې ذمہ دار ته یې. You are responsible for that. It's no use asking him. د هغه نه د تپوس کولو هیڅ فایده نشته. It's no use asking him. Come with us. مونږ سره راځه. Come with us. You can't escape from this. ته د دې نه بچ کېدی نشي. You can't escape from this. What did you say? تا څه ووی. What did you say? Use your brain. خپل دماغ دی استعمال کا. Use your brain. The cake will take 15 minutes to prepare. د کیک په تیارېدو کې به 15 منټه لګي. The cake will take 15 minutes to prepare. Heat up the tea. چای ګرم کا. Heat up the tea. Did I get you right? آیا ما ته صحیح وپېژندې؟ Did I get you right? Let's learn something new. راځئ چې څه نوي زده کړو. Let's learn something new. My arm has gone to sleep. زما لاس اوده شوی دی. My arm has gone to sleep. Don't take it to heart. زړه ته یې مه اچوه. Don't take it to heart. This house cost us 10 lakh rupees. دا کور مونږ ته په 10 لک روپۍ پریوت. This house cost us 10 lakh rupees. I'm in trouble. زه په تکلیف کې یم. I'm in trouble. I have got hurt. زه زخمی شوی یم. I have got hurt. Your mouth is smelling of onion. ستا د خولې نه د پیاز بوی راځي. Your mouth is smelling of onion. Don't let her hear. دلته هزله مه غورځوه. Don't let her hear. The children next door make a lot of noise. د ګاونډیانو واړه ډیر شور کوي. The children next door make a lot of noise. He is about 5 feet tall. هغه لګبګ 15 فوټه دنګ دی. He is about 5 feet tall. We reach at about 5 o'clock. مونږ تقریبا 5 بجې ورسیدو. We reached at about 5 o'clock. It's not my fault. دا زما غلطی نه ده. It's not my fault. Mind your language. خوله دې په واک کې کا. Mind your language. Reduce it. دا کم کا. Reduce it. It's a little expensive. دا لږ ګران دی. It's a little expensive. Is it good? آیا دا ښه دی؟ Is it good? Don't do that. داسې مه کوه. Don't do that. Get ready. تیار شه. Get ready. We exchange hot words. مونږ د یو بل سره شر وکړو. We exchange hot words. Don't talk to me like this. ما سره په دې طریقې خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk to me like this. It will be better for you. دا به ستا دپاره ښه وي. It will be better for you. Sorry, it escaped my mind. بخښنه غواړم. زما د دماغو نه ووتو. Sorry, it escaped my mind. Or sorry, it slipped my mind. بخښنه غواړم. زما د دماغو نه ووتو. Sorry, it slipped my mind. How can you be so selfish? ته دومره خودغرضه څنګه کیدی شي؟ How can you be so selfish? Don't you talk to him. آیا ته د هغه سره خبرې نه کوې؟ Don't you talk to him. Don't mess with me. ما سره پنجه مه وهه. Don't mess with me. He is frightened. هغه یریدلی دی. He is frightened. Keep in touch. په رابطې کې اوسه. Keep in touch. Keep in mind. یاد ساته. Keep in mind. Get me ice cream. مال ice cream راوړه. Get me ice cream. Let him go. هغه تلو ته پرېږده. Let him go. Don't spoil your life. خپل ژوند مه تباه کوه. Don't spoil your life. He often lies. هغه اکثر دروغ وایي. He often lies. You have no right to order me. تا ته هیڅ حق نه دی حاصل چې په ما حکم چلای. You have no right to order me. I can't understand. زه نشم پوهېدی. I can't understand. Let me see. پرېږده چې زه وینم. Let me see. Do not wink. سترګه مه وهه. Do not wink. Don't be silly. پاگل مه جوړېږه. Don't be silly. You are wrong. ته په غلطه یې. You are wrong. It's too late. ډېر ناوخته شوی دی. It's too late. He is kind. هغه نرم زړی دی. He is kind. Do me a favor. په ما یو ملازه وکړه. Do me a favor. Come to the point. د کار خبره کوه. Come to the point. I have no idea. ما ته هیڅ معلومات نشته. I have no idea. It doesn't make sense. د دې هیڅ مطلب نشته. It doesn't make sense. How does it matter? څه فرق کوي. How does it matter? د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.